Want to get WhatsApp on your Apple Watch? In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can start using WhatsApp directly from your wrist. Before we proceed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. First, go to the main menu on your Apple Watch and tap on the App Store. Search for an app called Watch Chat. When the app appears, tap on the Get button to begin the installation. Once installed, tap Open. It might take a little time to load, and you may see a message like No connection and more info. If you tap on that, a new message might pop up saying, This app is not installed on your iPhone. That simply means Watch Chat also needs to be installed and set up on your iPhone for it to work on your watch. So now, head over to your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for an app called Watch Chat. Install the app just like you would install any other app. Once it's installed, open it. It'll ask for permission to access your WhatsApp chats on your Apple Watch. Tap Get Started, and then Continue to allow sending messages, starting new chats, and more. At this point, it may prompt you to choose a payment method to begin your free trial. Pick any payment option, and once it's processed, your trial will be activated. Now, go back to your Apple Watch, and you should see WhatsApp ready to launch. On your iPhone, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, then tap on Linked Devices. You might be asked to enter your iPhone passcode. After that, tap Link a Device and scan the QR code that's displayed on your Apple Watch screen. Once the scan is successful, the Apple Watch will link directly to your iPhone's WhatsApp. And that's it. WhatsApp is now fully connected and ready to use on your Apple Watch. If this guide helped, feel free to share it with anyone who might need it. We'll meet again in the next video.